Hey, Doug Bennett here, and I'm going to work out with Erin over here, and she's going to throw on her easy wraps. As you can see, they're basic speed wraps, and I just want to show you these because before we show you how to actually throw some punches, I want you to take a look at these easy wraps light, because they're so easy for women, and they take 2 seconds, and they'll give you complete wrist support and a lot of knuckle protection as they're double padded. So show how to put those on real quick. So she's going to throw on her right hand, okay? And as you see, there's an inner lock here. She's going to lock that up. And now the most important thing is she's going to make a fist, tight fist, and then go ahead, go around that, nice and easy. Yep, and then she's just going to lock it in, and that's it. So she wants to go around a little more on that. And if she wants more support, because she's a heavy hitter, I'm going to throw on these wraps that come with it. You don't have to, but if you're really going to do a really intense boxing workout, you want to put this extra wrap on just in case, okay? So, again, you have your protection here, okay, with the knuckles, and you have it here on the wrist. Now, all we're going to do is we're going to go on the loop around the thumb, okay? And we're going to go around the hand, the knuckles twice, okay, like that. You want to keep your hand open like that. And I'm going to do is I'm going to come around the thumb here, and that's going to protect the thumb so when you throw hooks. And then I'm going to come around, okay? Do you see that? So right from there, all they're going to do is go around the wrist, okay? And they're going to make an X. I'm going to make an X right here. Okay, so when I make the X, that's going to wrap in this wrist even more. So now you have even more support, okay? And she's going to make a fist, and then I'm just going to wrap it up. That's it. It's very easy to do. It makes wrapping simple, and it's full protection, okay? So again, now she has complete wrap and she's ready to go on that hand. Now we're going to throw this one on. Alright. So, Erin, go ahead and throw your hand in there real quick. Good. Yep. She's going to lock it in, make a fist, and then she's just going to go around the wrist, and that's it. Now she's ready to go. Again, these you can do weights, and you can punch at the same time. Take your gloves off real quick, and they fit in any boxing glove. So she likes a little more wrap, so I'm going to go around the loop like this. I'm going to come around, okay, like that, and I'm just going to go around the thumb on the inside and loop it, and that way she's going to have real good structure right there. It's going to hold support. And all we're going to do is go around the wrist one more time. I'm going to go under, all right? I'm going to go around the knuckles, open the hand, okay, yep, like that, twice, and then I'm going to make the X. So as I make the X, I come around this side, and then I go around this side, okay? And that's all it is. And then I'm just going to come around, and make a fist, right from here, and I'm just going to loop it around. So now, she has complete support, all right, both hands, both knuckles, and then throw your gloves on, good? So now I'm going to show you how to box. Alright, so go ahead, Erin. She's going to come over here and show how they're going to slip in real quick. So again, these slip in real easy, okay? As you can see, she has 12-ounce gloves, yep. And now we're going to get in our boxing stance. So you notice how her foot is forward on this position? She has a little squat. And now she's going to throw the jab. Okay. So right here, good. Nice little jab, keep your hands up. Good, she's going to move, okay? So on the jab, you want to make sure that sticks out over under the, yep. So you want your chin down, yep. There you go. You notice how she turns it over. There you go, good. Nice. So she wants to keep more towards my side over here. If she's really boxing, away from my power side, she's going to step on the inside of my foot. Yep, good. Step in. There you go. Good. So you notice how she moves her head every time. So when she does a jab, she's not taking a picture. She's going to move it. That hand's right back up. Yep. Hand's right back up. Good. Good. Now don't even come in, just throw it. There you go. So she's going to come right there. So that's one jab, okay? There's a few jabs you can do. There's up jab, but we're going to work on the basics. That's your basic jab. Her elbows are always tight to her body, and she's going to throw a right hand. She has a really good right hand. See that? So, you notice how she sits down on it and throws, okay? Good, let's go over here. Good. Right there, right. There you go. Throw two. Good. So she's gonna sit back on that back foot. Good. Now ready? 1, 2. 1, 2. Good. She's gonna move. See, come under. Good. So when she comes under, watch. She's gonna step out and then drop. Okay. This side, she's gonna step out and drop. All right. If she goes straight down, she's gonna go straight down. Straight down. Right hand. Good. Right hand. Good. Now that right hand can set up the left hook. Okay. So your front hook. So it's gonna right, left. Good. Right, left. Good. Right, left. Good. So she throws this off the center, and then that comes over the center, my shoulders, okay? So notice how she's not just throwing arms. So right, good. Now she's gonna 3, sit back. There you go, elbows in. 3, down, boom. See? So now she's gonna throw a jab. 1, 2, 3. There you go, good. Move, yep. Let's do it again. Nice, good work. Now right from there, she's gonna throw an uppercut. So go back uppercut. Good, move. Uppercut. Good, keep that hand up. Good. Breathe out. Good. Notice how she's throwing from the foot first, okay? She's not picking it up. Good shot. Good, and then she's gonna throw a lead hook. Move, elbows in, keep that hook a little tighter. Good, and breathe. Okay, so when you throw that, what you want to do is you want to throw up, and then right when it's here, that's when that comes over, okay? You don't go like this, like that, all right? It's like that, all right? And again, when she's throwing that hook, it's not so like this, which is fine, that's good in aerobics. But in real life, you want to just use your hip and your body, okay? So ready? Throw it. Right on the butt. Breathe out. Good. The elbow's got to be behind the punch. Or higher. 2, 1. Okay? Now she's going to throw her back hook, which is here. Breathe out. Good. 2, 1. Now this one's more important to really use that hip and that foot, pivot, okay? So, because you really got to get around. Here, you're already here, you can just move your hip, okay? So you can just, like this, all right? Using your hip and your leg, okay? But it doesn't have to be perfect like that. This one, you really want more because it's got to come out. So we're going to throw a jab. Now this, every punch sets up the other. So throw jab, hook. Yeah, tighten up. Good. 2, 1. Good. So now we got over here. So now we're going to throw a jab, head, head. Just stay right up. Just stand up tall. 1, up, 2. Yeah, 1, 2. Good. 1, 2. Hook, hook. Okay, so uppercut, uppercut. Good. Now, when you throw an uppercut to the body, you want to kind of come up here. If she was in close, she would want to come up here and don't drop it here. So when she's away, she can throw it from up here. Okay? That gets under, okay, under my guard. Okay? So hook, good. Now she's going to throw an uppercut on this side. She's going to lean over a little bit. There you go, up. Yep, don't drop your hand. There you go. 2, 1. All right? If she's going to throw it up here, she's going to drop down, drop. Yep, drop. Drop. Lean forward, drop. See? So this, she's going to time. That's all it is. It's a timing thing. So I throw, time. Good. Time. Throw the other way. Time. See? Slip. Okay, slip. Slip. Slip it. Good. Slip. Put that hand up. Slip. Slip. Good. Right hand. Okay? So if she's going to slip, hands up. She's going to slip. Okay, slip the other way. Slip. Good. Don't drop the hand. Slip. Slip. Okay, those are straight punches. If I throw a hook, she's going to weave. Okay, she's going to drop, drop. So right here, watch. Drop, under, and then the other side. Yep, good. The other side. Good. See? She's going to use her legs, all right? Less on the back. I mean, you see people going like this. They're usually high level when they're really good, but you want to drop your legs and then come up. So your head pressure is on the chest. So if I come here, she feels a lot more here than if I come out here and go like this, all right? Then she can hit me. So again, we're going to go over the basic, okay, stance. You want to stay even on the feet, both feet out, so you can slide that back. That's pretty much it. You want to feel like you can sprint. So she's gonna go jab, right hand, okay, left hook, right hook, good. There you go, upcut, upcut. There you go, upcut. Straight up. Ha, elbows in. Good. Now we're gonna go to the body, okay? So she's gonna jab to my hand and she's gonna slip at the same time. Okay? You notice how she slips? Good. Slip, right on the hand. Slip, hand. Hand. Yeah. Hand, go. Go. You wanna hit right in my wrist. There you go. Yeah. Now she wants to get her body a little more over to that side. Go. Yeah, step in now. Step in. No, not that foot. You want to step in with the front. So look out. So jab, jab. Good. Jab. There you go. Jab. There you go. Good. Good. So right from here, you want to come down and slip so your head is down. You want to go like this, okay? Don't do this. You want to go like that, all right? So it's like that. So if I'm here, my head's off the line. So I got line of attack right here. I want to get off that line, okay? Get away from that line of being punched. Okay, so ready, slip again, go. There you go, right here, lower. Yep, lower. Straighten it out. Straighten out. Yep, stop going on the other side. Go. Just head way over there. Yep, go. There you go. Yep. Okay, so now we got, go to the body. Now you're gonna throw a right hand to the body. The only difference is your level changing, okay? And you're gonna step in. Okay, level change, step in. Yep. Level change. Level change. So you want to level change first, go to the body, go. Yep, go back, go. Yep, go. 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 Yep, so it's right here. Alright? Yep, level change. Level change. Level change. Level change. Yep, so you want to go down first, and then go to the body. Like that, okay? So jab to the head, go to the body. Jab to the head, go to the body. Good. So now we got those, okay? Now we're just going to go hook to the body, hook to the body. So ready? Down, hook, hook. Hook, hook. The only difference, you got to drop a body and lean forward, okay? Go to the body. Good. Good. Now this you want to get a little more on the legs, okay? Okay, you got that? Elbows in, good. Okay, ready, jab, hook up. Jab, hook up. Jab, hook up. So, what you want to do is you want to go inside the jab. Now I'm straight to the body, my head's down, and I'm going to throw here, okay? I don't go like this. I want to keep my elbows in, and they come out, my hand comes out as I'm going to the body. Come on over. So I go here, here, okay? Here, here. Alright? So that's just the basics of getting down, leaning forward, going to the body. Okay, one more thing. We're going to throw a shovel punch, okay? So the difference between a shovel punch and hooks to the body is your hand is 45 degrees up like this inside the rib. So what happens here is if she slips and she goes right inside like that. So do that again. Good. Elbows in. Yep, keep that in. There you go. Yep. Stay on that back foot, yep. Lean over. Lean over. Lean over. Yep, so right hand on the body. Right head. Keep that foot down. Yep, right there. So you want to go right hand, come over here. So, yep, move. So come to me. So right hand, boom, see? So I go right hand to the body. So I want to get inside, under here. Boom. I don't want to come back and pick it up. It's just right here, all right? So it's a snap. It's not power. It's not using your muscle. It's a snap, okay? Yep. There you go. Get the hand back to your face, yep. Good. Now you're going to go the other side. Nope, over the other side more. Get over there. There you go. Yep, and then hook the head. Hook the head. The body, head. Body, head. Good. Do it over here. Ready? Body, head. Good. Keep those two. Yep. So now we're going to work them up. Elbows in. Jab. Body, head. Good. Good. Okay? Try to use your body a little more. So ready? Right hand. Body, head. Up. Yep. Good. Good, take your time. Throw that hook a little more. There you go. There you go. Okay, 4 punches straight. Right hand hard. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that's your basic punches, your easy wraps. Check them out underneath. Aaron did great. Keep on boxing, keep on practicing. See you later.